Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now, let's scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Sounds and Vibration and tap on it. And then scroll down, find the option called Ringtone right here and select it. And right here we can select a ringtone from the list. We have a couple of ringtones. Select the one you like by tapping on it and then go back. So that's how you change the ringtone. We can also change the sound for the notifications. So we can tap on notification sounds and here we have the list, of course. Select the one you like. Tap on it, of course, and then go back. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.